Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text around an image. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then open your file. Now you can see here are my file with an image. Now I put text around this image. Now you can see here a toolbar option. Now you can see here a text tool. Select this text tool and click anywhere on this image. Now write anything. Now you can see I write our channel names on here. Now select this text and align on this image. Now you can see I put text around an image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Time is সমস্যা